3 secrets about money that a multimillionaire taught me that you won't be taught in school. Secret number 1. Having a lot of money in your bank account sucks. Why? Years later, money loses its value, it's inflation, and when you store money in your bank account, it's not you who gets richer, it's the bank. Money is a super powerful tool and not using it is a waste. But be careful, you still have to use it well. Secret number 2. To use your money well, you have to invest, not spend. What is the difference? When you spend $1, it's over, you will never find it again, whereas when you invest $1, over time, it will turn into $2. And the question is, what investments can I make? Secret number 3. To invest well, you have to see money as a game. In reality, there are several types of investments that are more or less risky depending on your profile, but 2 types of investments that have always worked well are the stock market and real estate. Learn a lot about it. But if all that I have told you does not seem obvious to you, then maybe before investing in the stock market or real estate, invest first in yourself, because before owning a lot, you have to be a lot. Never forget.